Hey everyone, it's Juno from Rentman again. Your project is confirmed and schedules have gone out, and it's time to prep. Now, you need to make sure the right equipment leaves your warehouse. Booking equipment in Rentman creates a digital packing list that prevents mistakes before gear goes out the door. First, I'm going to be moving to the warehouse module. In the warehouse module, you can find all your projects and their statuses, such as confirmed, prepped, on location, or delayed. Now, I'm going to be clicking Book on a confirmed project. From here, you can see all of the equipment that needs to be booked. Next, I'm going to click Book Everything. And from here, you can change the project status. I'm going to be changing the project status from confirmed to on location. And then I select Confirm. And then I click Close. That's it! Your equipment is booked and ready to go. You can see that the project status changed from confirmed to on location. From here, you can print packing lists, scan items with QR codes or RFID, and track everything that leaves and returns to your warehouse. Try it out for yourself.